In this lecture, I'm going to show you how we can extract, or at least start extracting, tweets and tweets related data from Twitter. But before we go in, you actually need to have a Twitter account. Obviously, an ordinary Twitter account that most people have will do. And after you have your Twitter account, go to this link, https://apps.twitter.com, and it should bring you to a page like this. And now I do have two Twitter apps over here which relate to tropical forests and Zim1, and I'm going to be working with the Zim1 Twitter application. So once you set it up, essentially this is the page that we will come to, and these are the things that we are going to use: consumer key, API secret, and access token and access token secret. And essentially we can extract tweets, tweets which pertain to a certain hashtag, or which even pertain to a certain person, as we are going to do in the next lecture, by just these four entities, and they're going to be unique to everyone: consumer key, consumer secret, access token, and access token secret. So now if you want to actually, but in order to get there, in order to get to the stage where I was, you need to create a new app like so. You need to give it a name. Let's just call it a test app. Test. I'll give it this is my website, minervastatalab.com, so I'll just give it that. And I'm going to go into the settings of this one. I mean, I don't have to particularly go into the settings of this one, but I'm also going to specify a callback URL because that makes things so much easier. So there's going to be a callback URL, and I'm going to create our Twitter, and yes, I agree to the terms. And the upshot is that you should not be trying to take out too many tweets in one go. So I would suggest that in one go try to take out 5,000 tweets or less, and that's something we'll cover later on. To get tweets, somebody has been doing test apps. So by the way, you can only assign an application name which has not been taken before, so it has to be a unique application name. Well, let's just make it 666 MS. So see that this is a bit complicated. I think this should work. So your application has been created. These are the application settings. We don't need any of that. But yes, we will go to keys and access token. And as you can see, we have consumer key, API, and consumer key secret, but we don't have access token. So we do need the access token, as you're going to see in the next lecture. So I'm going to say create my access token. And there, now you can see an access token and access token secret has been created for me. I can even revoke the token access should I wish to, or I can even delete the whole app, as I will now. So essentially I can delete this application because I'm not going to use it. So there, now I'm back to my two Twitter apps. And once you have all of this information, then we can go on to R and we can start extracting tweets. So if you haven't done all this already, make sure you have your Twitter application set up now.